Good YouTube, it's your boy Rev 10R at work. There's an event going on tonight. I wasn't gonna come, but since I'm only like 30 minutes away, I guess we can make a little quick trip to the grand opening. Poster up right there. Baby out here, Leonardo. We're about to make this little trip. We almost ran out of fuel. Just got on the bike. So let me go ahead and pay for this. And then we'll hit the road. Damn, 16 bucks. Better than my car, but we're on our way to the meet. We got about a 39-minute ride. I don't know how well y'all can hear me. I do not have my mic set up, but we're gonna make this work. Probably gonna be a lot of music playing, but we'll have a lot of stop time when we do hit like stoplights. So just bear with me on this one, guys. We're gonna have the mic set up soon. Alright, so I'd like to take some time to say that not only are we going to our first meet on the bike, but this is also our first time riding to Austin on the bike. So we're gonna kind of enjoy this. We had to take like some shortcuts. Yeah, like I was saying, it's my first trip down to Austin on a bike. I go to Austin plenty of times, you know what I'm saying? There's so much beautiful scenery out there. It's a lot of firsts that we're accomplishing here today. I hope y'all appreciate this video. How you doing, guys? Yeah. I hope I've been filming this whole time, man. I kind of fucked up, I feel like. Yeah. But if I haven't, we're not too far away from the location, guys. Should be there shortly, hopefully. Praying. Let's just check the location real quick. How far down do we need to go? 2769. Starting to drizzle a little bit, of course, as expected. It was supposed to rain yesterday up until like next week. Crazy. This rain shit is going to kill me. I hope it doesn't fuck up our GoPro because we have no protection over it right now. So we'll see. Live and learn. Stop by.
Heck yeah.
We'll take a little walk through so y'all can see what's out here.
it's good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Bro, I've been fucking with the videos, dog.
Yeah?
Hell yeah, bro.
Appreciate you,
Brandy
man.
be posting about you all the time, so.
Word.
People, bro.
Hell yeah. Having some crazy ass events, so I love coming up here when I can, for real.
Yeah, bro. I fuck with that. That's cool.
Yeah. Let me walk through a little bit,
No,
get a
yeah,
little
bro,
more footage.
do your thing.
All right, bro. Nice meeting you. These Broncos been growing on me. I don't know about y'all, but they kind of been growing on me as of lately. I've been seeing a lot of them. I feel like they're the new Jeep Wranglers. Everybody's like leaving the Jeep world and coming more to the Bronco style, you know what I'm saying? This food is like, y'all know I'm trying to get back on my health shit, but the way this food is smelling here, I'm gonna let you guys know right now that y'all making it hard for me. This food is smelling so good. Like I want to order.
This is one of the healthiest options they got.
That is the craziest thing I've ever heard. You said you gonna start this?
Yeah, I can start it.
Oh yeah, let's see what this baby sounds like. She's so beautiful. Ellie? You guys meet Ellie? Look at this thing. Which one of these are your favorites?
Right now, this one right here.
This one?
This is my favorite car out of all my cars right now. I have 11 vehicles. This is my favorite one right now.
Sheesh, 11's crazy. I was told to go upstairs to see what's up there. Oh, okay. Yo, this is kind of dope, man. God damn, bro. There it is. Let's see what else is in here. Yo, this is tough. This is so cool. So yeah, y'all got a quick little preview of the game. So we're kind of trapped here for a little minute, I'm not gonna lie. It is currently pissing outside.
I didn't hear that.
I know you didn't. I know you didn't. I said no.
I'll drive the car with like.
But as soon as we get a little daylight, we're out of there. I'm not gonna lie, that Cobra is looking pretty in the rain.
On the highway.